it just makes sense. Our Aroma is a scenting company that scents your body, your home, your car, and your pets. We produce products utilizing natural ingredients to give you the best scent for your body, your home, your car, and your pets. Well, we have our new 2021 model here of the whole home diffuser. Want to share with you, and we're going to go through how to program it in this video as well. So before we get going, here is the unit. One of the big improvements that we've made in this unit is that we now have a bigger door that allows you more easy access to the programming. It does lock just like it is. This is where the oils are going to be diffused out of. Comes in the box. Things that you get with it, 2 keys that you're going to utilize to lock it. There's also a mounting bracket that comes on the unit. You will also receive a power supply, tools to be able to mount it to the wall, as well as an additional nozzle for you to utilize if you're not looking to put it through the tube and through your HVAC system. Remember, if you're going to be utilizing this tubing to go into your HVAC system, you'll use the device as it comes to you, and you will basically just push your tube that comes with you into that. What is then going to happen is that the oils are going to get diffused through the tube into your HVAC system where you put the tube into, and that will then allow you to utilize this throughout your entire house. That is the benefit of this unit. It comes with a large 200 milliliter or 8 ounce bottle, so you can fill it to the top with your oils. Based on how much oils you would utilize, this should last you at least 6 months. So while you're diffusing every day, you're not having to go and change out the oils on a regular basis. It's also programmed so it goes on when you come home, just before you come home. It goes on while you're sleeping if you want to benefit from the aromatherapy features of the essential oils that you're using, and as well just as you wake up. So you can program it to different times of the day that suits you best. So we're going to have a look at a moment how this works, but basically what's going to happen, you can take the bottle in and out like that using the handle, and then the nozzle is at the top here. This one that is on here is for when you're using the tube. The other nozzle, this is if you're going to use it in your room, and it's going to produce scenting throughout the entire room. So in a bigger room, where it's not being hooked up to your HVAC system. Quick comment, obviously one of the benefits of hooking it up to your HVAC system is that you use the air that is pushed out of your heating ducts and your cooling ducts to disperse the essential oils. These essential oils are made to be a 2.5 micron. That's the size that we go to. It's a very, very fine mist. You won't see it with your eyes, but you most definitely will smell it. But as your air from your HVAC gets pushed through the air ducts, the essential oils, which are floating because they're so light and small, they will go throughout the whole home without you having to do anything. So one unit over here can produce aromatherapy or beautiful scenting with some fragrance oils throughout the entire home. Let's have a look at the programming system over here now. Okay, so we're going to be programming this. We have some water in here actually at the moment, so it's going to put out a steam instead of diffusing oils. The first thing we got to do is remember that there's 2 features here. There's the HVAC system or the normal nozzle that's going to go out. If you're going to use it in a room without going through the tube into your air ducts, you're going to want to use the fan feature. You get to the fan by, you can see, let me go back. You can see we have the fan at the bottom there. By holding down the down button for 5 seconds, it will do it. You can see the fan is on over there. So if I hold it down for 5 seconds, the fan will be on fan level 2. If I hold it down for another, it turns the fan off. Now to set this, I'm going to press on the mode. We've got an event 1 over here, which is set to turn on at 8 a.m. I'm going to set that. So the time right now is 9:30. So we're going to increase the hour from 9. We set the hour, and we're going to set the time to 9:30 set. So it's now, that's when the machine will turn on to start diffusing. By pressing mode again, I'm going to now program what time it turns off. So I'm going to set the time. Let's make it 10 and make it 10:30 as well. And we'll set that. When I press on the mode again, it's going to now set how long does the diffuser diffuse oils. I recommend that we do 15 seconds. So that means it's going to diffuse for 15 seconds. And then we're going to turn it for how long it'll be turned off. So you can actually set it for much longer. We'll do it for 1 minute. So we could then program the second set of time where it will turn on. We'll set that. Let's make it 12 o'clock, noon time. Press mode again, and we'll leave it running till 1 p.m. And again, I'm going to run it for 15 seconds, and we'll leave it off for a minute. I can do the next scheduling as well if I wish, but let's just go back. So as you can see, the time is 9:47. There is a thing over there that obviously notifies that it is turning on, that is diffusing at the moment. So again, it will diffuse based on the programming for 15 seconds, and then it will be off for 60 seconds. Now remember, this diffuser diffuses the oils to 0.25 microns, or 2.5 microns, I apologize. At 2.5 microns, it is a very, very tiny mist. If I was using it again in the area here, I would be able to turn the fan on, hold that down for 5 seconds, and you'll see the fan, and it said F1 over there. Let's wait for the unit to turn on. As you can see, there's a blue light. So if we close the door, you can see the blue light through the door. That's showing you that it is working. You'll hear a difference in the noise too. Now when this turns on again with the fan, because the fan obviously does work a lot louder, but it definitely creates far more movement of the oils as they would be dispersed out of this nozzle over here. And like I said, you won't actually be able to see them, but if I put my hand there, I can definitely feel the flow of air and the steam or the mist that we're creating of water at the moment. Thank you for watching the video, and obviously if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to our Aroma. Our website address is www.ouraroma.com, so OURAROMA.com. Email address is going to be help@ouraroma.com. Don't forget, this product is warranted by us here in the United States, and we will ensure that the product meets your every expectation. Don't forget one other quick thing. Obviously, the oils that you utilize are going to be very important as to how this scent machine actually performs. The higher the concentrated oils, the better quality oils, they are going to perform better. Our Aroma has the highest quality essential oils and fragrance oils. have a look at our website, give us an email or a call. We would be able to supply you the oils at competitive pricing for this machine. We thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, don't feel free to reach out to us. Thank you again, and don't forget, with our Aroma, it just makes sense.